Welcome student to our class of TYBSc Geography. We are going to discuss our third chapter, aerial photography, from our paper GG 336. In a previous video we have discussed about aerial cameras and types of films used in aerial camera. In this video we are going to take a new point, that is types of photograph or types of aerial photographs. Types of aerial photographs, mainly there are three types of aerial photographs, that is vertical photographs, oblique photographs and terrestrial or horizontal photographs. The term vertical or horizontal refers to the direction in which the camera axis was pointing at the time of exposure. So, let us begin with vertical photographs. These photographs are taken with the photo from camera station on the ground with the axis and the camera vertically and or near vertical. A vertical photographs closely resembles a map and is particularly suitable for obtaining suitable uniform coverage. As these photographs can be obtained with reasonably low tilt. Tilt is the direction of the camera axis from the vertical. So, these are generally used for mapping and photo interpretation work. So, vertical photographs, these are taken from the camera station on the ground to the axis of the camera vertically or near vertical. These are used for obtaining a uniform photos and they are having low tilt. That is why they are mainly used for mapping purpose or the purpose of photo interpretation. The next type is oblique photographs. Aerial photographs taken with the optical axis of the tilt aerial camera from the vertical are known as oblique photograph. Means aerial photographs which is taken by optical axis, which is optical axis and tilt camera from the vertical are known as oblique photographs. These photographs cover large area of the ground, but clarity of details diminished towards the far end of the photos. As we know that the camera is tilt, so the far end information is not properly visible or not properly identified as compared to the close end information. So, it covers the large area, but the clarity of the details are not properly or not so much clear to the far end as compared to the near end. Aerial photographs on which horizon does not appear are known as low oblique and are in inaccessible areas. High oblique photographs are which sufficiently contains horizon and were previously used for the extension of planimetric and the height control. When the available ground control was insufficient to provide the necessary accuracy, these have very limited use at present. Means these photographs, they are of very limited use. There is an accuracy factors. Sometime it is used for inaccessible areas and the far end is not so much clear in oblique photographs. These are oblique and high oblique, vertical, low oblique and high oblique types of photographs taken with two or more cameras in a single unit in the photographic plane. The next type is terrestrial or horizontal photographs. These are taken from the photo from the camera station on the ground with the axis of the camera horizontal, and they are present more familiar evolution view. As we have seen in the vertical photographs, they were taken at vertical. The same in the horizontal photographs, they are taken horizontally with the axis of the camera. These types of photographs used for structures and monument of architecture and archaeological values. Terrestrial photographs taken with a normal good camera can also of considerable use in supplementing photo interpretation of vertical aerial photographs, particularly so in geology and forestry, where the study of profile may be needed. So, with the help of aerial photographs and horizontal photographs, it becomes easy to identify the different types of object. For example, geology, that is profile study, etc. So, in this part we have seen types of photographs, that is photographs which is taken vertically from the camera station on the ground, the axis of the camera is vertically. Then oblique, the aerial photography with the optical axis of the tilted aerial camera from the vertical, and horizontal photographs, that is these are taken from the photo from the camera station on the ground with the axis of camera horizontal, and they are present at more familiar evolution view. Thank you.